right, here's the problem. Your parents will not let you get a motorcycle, and they want you to help out around the house more, do more chores, mow the lawn. Here is the solution. Honda's Mean Mower version 2. Powered by a 200 horsepower superbike engine, it weighs 300 pounds, goes 150 miles an hour. We're ready to mow that lawn. Holy hell, that's a fast lawnmower. We only went to 3rd gear. It has 3 more. They went 150 with it, which I can't even imagine. Pretty much everything on this lawnmower is bespoke. Underneath this bright red cowling is a tube chassis, specifically built of a very flexible steel because it doesn't have any suspension. It has 10-inch wheels with little slicks like a tiny formula car. This thing will cut the grass. It has carbon fiber blades. And this grass bag, just for show. Basically everything except for the drivetrain was built specifically to take back the lawnmower record. And they did.